What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, a few days back ago, there was an audio that was circulating online where Jacob Zuma was speaking, and so many people were saying Jacob Zuma was complaining about MK party members and they are infighting. So, there's this issue that they were carrying guns and threatening each other. And so many people dismissed that story as the audio is just old, but it seems now News 24, a respectable media in the South African media space, News 24 is actually reporting that Jacob Zuma truly slammed his MK members, that we cannot govern ourselves by infighting and threatening each other. There's no reason for us to be carrying these guns and arguing over internal positions. So the main issue is that Jacob Zuma is not happy with MK members fighting for these positions when they are supposed to be leading the country. What is surprising is that if these MK party members are infighting amongst themselves, whilst Jacob Zuma is still around like this, you can imagine the chaos when Jacob Zuma steps down. And the proof to what Jacob Zuma was actually saying in that leaked audio, there's a video of Floyd Shivambu where he was seen coming out of the car and going to this MK conference, and so many people were surprised, like, the Secretary General, how can he be doing that? But there is a surprising twist to this entire story, because there is some kind of propaganda that is circulating online about this story, because this audio seems to be very old, like 6 months ago, and it's now coming up as if Jacob Zuma spoke just last week after these events of Duduzile Zuma and Floyd Shivambu. And it's actually true, there is actually propaganda everywhere. But also in analyzing these events, there is definitely disappointment from Jacob Zuma over the way Floyd Shivambu and the likes of Duduzile Zuma are actually like infighting with each other, and they're like trying to install Duduzile Zuma as the SG. Those are the rumors that are circulating. And Jacob Zuma himself, he definitely has to crack the whip and make sure that everyone is in line, because it's Jacob Zuma who has all the powers at MK Party. He has the power to hire and fire anyone, and there is no one who can challenge him. And he is actually doing the right thing to make sure that all of these guys are in line.